In third class of lightweight goat, in first place, we have J.Garza from Liverpool FFA. In second place, we have Taylor Payson from Lightweight FFA. In third place, we have J.Garza from La Jolla. And in fourth place, we have John Paul Ahmed from La Sara FFA. Attention in the barn. The concession is now open on the north side of the barn.
We have 6 really nice Dorper sheep out here that do a great job of representing the elite of the breed and the characteristics that the Dorper breed is known for, which is definitely their muscle production. And so I think these youth have done a great job of getting their sheep set up. You can tell that they're putting in the work at home. Some of them are a little less cooperative than others, but that comes with time and practice. And I do commend you all on doing a really nice job of having your animals prepared today and looking really nice. For me, I taught each of these sheep in their respective classes, so I'm not going to go back again, but I think there's 2 of them out here, in my opinion, that kind of put together everything for me, and that's the picture on the profile, the silhouette, they're balanced, they're opened up, they're muscular, and they're still fresh to the touch. I'll go out and select your Grand and Reserve champion.
I'm gonna put these exhibitors at a disadvantage because they have to get on the wrong side of the goat right now, but the only way to make the microphone work is if I stay over here a little bit more. As we look at our lightweight division, we talked to each one of these goats when we brought them in here, and you can tell that they come back to us and they line up there, and you see the traits in a market goat that you want to see. You see some muscle, you see some length, you see some structural correctness, all the traits that you want to see. And these goats are good enough and they're still prepared enough that they're going to help us and they're going to do good all the way down into the shows in February and March later on. So I applaud these 6 exhibitors for bringing us quality animals today. I have to pick a champion and a reserve champion of this lightweight division. I'm going to go with our lightweight goat as our champion. Just the smoothest product out here, the most stylish goat out here. I will admit that he doesn't like to walk around the ring. The young man apologized for that. Could be the weather change or maybe just a little bit more time on feet. I'm going to follow that goat with the Class 3 first place goat for the Reserve Division champion. A goat that brings a lot of muscle to the table, a goat that just needs to be a little bit smoother to line up and compete with the one that won Class 1. Let's give all 6 of these youngsters a big round of applause for bringing us some great quality product.